I get on to taking some beautiful photographs of this bike here, I wanted to talk to you about this channel. I wanted to tell you where I'm planning to take it and what we're going to do with it. So before we do this, let's chat. So I've taken a bit of a step back from the channel and had a little bit of a thought about what I really want to do with it, where I want to take it. So YouTube for me has been this thing that I've been just kind of pushing on the side. But the more I do it, the more I like it, and the more I think that I can really turn it into something that can grow. So I thought that I would make this video to have a chat with you, to tell you what I'm planning, what I want to do in the future, and where I want this channel to go. So there's a few content ideas that I have for this channel, so I thought I would share them with you, and you can see if you vibe with them. And if you do, you can subscribe and make sure that you don't miss any of that good. So number one, being a CBT instructor, teaching people how to ride bikes, I know how to explain how to ride them, and I know how to help you avoid common mistakes and things like that. So I want to take it back to basics and make some instructional videos on how to ride a bike. So from things like how to use the clutch, how to change gears, how to turn left and right, all the way to slightly more advanced lane positioning, hazard perception, our attitude as a rider. I want to talk about how to keep yourself safe out on the road. I want to talk about how we affect the ride dependent on our mental attitude. So that's going to be number one, the back to basics, how to actually ride, how to keep yourself safe. Number two, I'm still going to do the raw rides, because that for me is what I watch on YouTube the most. I love the sound of an engine, I love a beautiful road, and I love taking it back to what motorcycling is about for me, just going out and just technically riding technically. I think that to me is the purest thing, and that's what the majority of my channel is. So that's how I would like to keep it. I want to explore. I want to go out exploring places. I want to show you the local area. I want to show you cool places to visit, nice views, nice spots. I think for a lot of us, getting on a bike is about getting lost and finding new places, so we might as well do that. So the raw rides will still happen, highlighting some lovely roads, but I also want to highlight some lovely destinations as well. Number four, a lot of people ride bikes to get away from people. I actually really enjoy having my girlfriend on the back and exploring, going on adventures together. So she doesn't know this yet, and hopefully she'll agree, but I want to do some videos with her on the back. Maybe get her opinions, what it's like to be a pillion. Maybe talk about how to make the ride with a pillion easier, how to keep them safe, how to keep yourself safe, how my riding changes when there's someone on the back. We can talk about all that stuff too. And number five, and there's only so far you can ride in a day, so we need to extend that. Put a tent on the back, put some camping gear on the back, and go a little bit further away. Especially that things are opening up again. We can actually go out and see some stuff. So if you have any awesome destinations within the UK that you think are worth visiting, shoot them at me. Drop me a comment, let me know. Over time, I want this to develop into a community where we help each other out to find places, maybe do meetups. Maybe go out for rides together. That would be really goddamn sick to do that. I want to develop a consistent flow of creating content, because I want to do this full time. This is what I want to do. That would be so sick. Just riding my bike and fucking around with a camera all day. Yes, please. There should be a lovely cliff view from here. So that's where I'm going. I want to take some photos and some videos. But we'll see if I can. It seems like it's quite hard to reach, so... off-roading again by accident. Oh, there you go, we're getting closer. I am going to go in there. This 100% looks like I'm trespassing. Yep. I am lost. Ugh. After my crash, which you can see in the last video that I've posted, I've been feeling quite fucking sketchy going around tracks like this. I'm going to do a U-E because I saw a track. I'm not going to do a U-E. I'm just going to 3-point turn it. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to go in here because this looks promising. It looks like it is a track for cars to go down, so I'm just going to take it. Worst case, I'll get shot with a shotgun. Thank you. Okay, Jessica was a good girl. She just stayed, stared at the ball. Oh my god, I think I've arrived exactly where I wanted to. Fuck you, plane.